How to save ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to save ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file. So for that case, you just have to go ahead and open up a browser first of all, and on the search box, go ahead and type in chat.openai.com and log in into your account. When you're logged in, that is going to take you to the field, which is gonna look something like this. Now, first of all, go ahead and type in the queries or the conversation that you want to start. So let's say this is the one. When you've actually typed in the information or the queries, then it's going to show you the responses, something like this. Now, right on this page, what you can do is just press the arrow icon, and next you can go ahead and tap on create a link by adding a link or typing the link. And after that, you could go ahead and share it on different platform as well, or you could just go ahead and simply copy the link, and when you've actually pasted, then you could go ahead and access the information. So that is how you can save ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.